2024 and today I want to share with you my sewing plans for the year. I've got some really lovely fabrics and patterns. It's been a while since I've made anything for myself, so I want to start with something really simple and quick. So what I'm planning to do is make sati skirt from Vicky Sews. It's a really nice bias cut skirt and I've got this fabric. It's a really lovely pink satin and I think the skirt would look lovely in this. The next thing I'm planning to make is the Mabel dress from Tilly and the Buttons. If you have seen my previous video of the things I made last year, that is in 2023, I made a sheer dress which unfortunately shrunk when I washed it. So I was thinking of making the same thing again, but then I thought I've already bought Mabel, so I'm planning to make that one. I've got this really lovely rayon. It's a floral print. I love floral prints. Look at this fabric. I think the dress would look lovely in this. The next thing I'm planning to make is the Marni top. I've got this really lovely fabric. It's a cotton linen. This is also floral. I absolutely love floral prints. Look at this. The next one is the Saturday skirt set from Friday Pattern Company. I've got this rayon. It's a navy blue floral print again. It's this lovely rayon. It's a really pretty fabric and the print is also really cute, I would say. So I think the Saturday skirt set would be perfect for this because this is 4 meters and the width is 60, and according to the pattern I need a width of 60 to make the long maxi skirt. Next I have this really pretty muslin. I don't know what to make with this. I would love your help. Look at this fabric. It's really pretty and I love the color. And the fabric is not very casual. I think it is a little semi-casual, semi-formal types. So I want to make something really nice but also something easy, like a nice maxi dress. Please let me know guys what you think I should make with this fabric. I've also got an olive green satin along with the pink one. So I've decided to make the sati skirt with the pink and not the olive green. So I would love your help. Please suggest what I should make with the olive green satin. That is 2 meters. The other thing that I really want to make this year is the Clarissa dress from Vicky Sews. It's the sheer dress. It has a completely sheared bodice which I love. So I really want to make that in a linen. And also burnside bibs from Sew House 7. I fell in love with the pattern when I saw it, and I don't have any dungarees, so I really want to make this one in an olive green linen color, and I think it will look really good. I have some leftover fabric from last year which I really want to use, so I am planning to make the saltwater slip dress from Friday Pattern Company. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked the video and all my fabrics and all my pattern choices. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below, and please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.